Yeah, actually, someone was telling me that why am I not showing you guys where the room where I'm parking? So I'm going upstairs. So I'm in the lift now. I'm not sure if you guys can see properly. So it's dark in here. So I'm going upstairs to the second floor. It's quite nice to be here in views. Alright, so I'm going to the room where I'm staying, and I'm going to show you a nice view, the mountain view from my room. So let me go into the room. This is nice room where I stayed throughout this week. So I hope you guys can see the mountain. That's the mountains here. So actually this place is called this is a Newport. So probably we'll be exploring a Cardiff postcode as well. So so let me take my bag and start going out. That's the only one backpack I have now for now. Yeah. Oh, nice to be here. I feel like I should stay more in Wales. Probably maybe next week or some other weeks. It might be our lucky UK postcode again, or it might be Scotland. You never know. But guys, if you have any idea of any postcode that we should visit, it could be in Scotland, please let me know in the comment below, and see you guys later. Bye.